Hey, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out iPhone 12/12 Pro case. This one is from Paradise Amsterdam. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this case out for me to review. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notification with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So if you haven't heard of Paradise Amsterdam, they actually have a huge range of amazing, beautiful, durable cases. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Do check it out. They have a huge range of designs. They have a huge range. They got a ton of different designs, and they're really unique and they are really amazing. So they sent me out one for me to review. So this is the packaging here. Nothing too fancy here. Of course, I've taken off the shipping label, but let's just get on with this. And these cases only retails for 25 euros, which is on the good side. It's not expensive, it's not too cheap, it's on the middle, but the case are actually really nicely made, and we'll show that. But yeah, let's just open the box here. So inside we have this little card here. It's really nice. Paradise. On the back, oh, it's a thank you card, so you can read through this if you want to. I'll just pause it here. If you want to read it, you can do that. If not, it's really nice cards, and we have some stickers. I'm assuming, yeah, we actually got some really nice stickers here. Yeah, really nice, I have to say. Two different layouts. So one is portrait, one is landscape. Yeah, they look really nice, I have to say. Put them to the side, and let's have a look at the case itself. So it comes in this little pouch here, which is really nice. So we got Paradise Amsterdam here, as you can see. Got Paradise here again. So normally phones don't come in a carrying case or anything like that, just come in plastic bag, but this is a nice touch of them. But yeah, let's just open this up here. Let's have a look at the case itself, and wow. Okay, that is really nice. That is, just admire that. And this is a PC case. So it's not one of those TPU plastic thingy case. This is actually a hard case. Nice and strong, and on the inside we do have a TPU rubber lining, so it's going to help you with your drops and protection as well, which is really nice. So you do have, see, really nice here, and it's really great of them to do this on their cases. So you're going to get really great fit, and this rubber lining is actually going to give you some front protection as well. It's going to come all the way up to the glass, which is really nice. But the main point here is the design. It's a really nice design, I have to say. That's amazing. That is so nice. It's really, I'm not really sure how well it's picking up on the camera, but it looks really nice. The colors are popping, I have to say that. Those blues look really nice, and you have that slight touch of gold, which I really like. Yeah, it's really nice. So let's try it out. I've got my iPhone 12 Pro here, but this will work on the 12 as well, as they both have the same design. So I've got mine in the Pacific blue, which go really nice with this blue here, as you can see. So let's go in with the volume rockers. Oh, that's extremely tight fit there. That is in really nicely. That's in there, I have to say. And you can see straight away that lip is so nice. You get that amazing lip protection there all the way around. And it's raised as well, so that's going to help you with protecting your screen, which is really good. Overall, the fit is really good. The camera quality, everything is nice, and the camera quality is flush, as you can see here. It is flush, so on the table it's not gonna scratch the camera, so that's really good. And the cutout are nice as well. So you got your cutout for your lightning here. So that's all good. Power button, everything really nice. So let's try the power button. No issue there, as you can see. Works fine. Let's try the volume rockers. No issue there, as you can see. Fine, nice, clicky, tactile. I do like is that we have that TPU there, so it's much softer feel when pressing them. Let's try the mute switch. No issue there, as you can see. It's fine. It's good, but I have to say that is really nice. It looks nice, even though you see that black bit, but of course that even looks even nicer with that, as you can see here. I have to say that fit, it's really good, and the colors and the design, like I'm really impressed with it. Like I'm not sure how well you're seeing this on camera, but it's beautiful. Like I love this design. Probably going to be rocking this case because it do have some good protection. So right now I'm actually using a rinky case because I do like that protection, even though I've got a really nice design. Two different tastes, but I have to say this looks nice, and they have a huge range of different designs and different colors. They're just really unique and really nice. So do check out the link in the description. But yeah, let's try out the charging port and see how well that works. So I've got a standard Apple charging cable here. Let's just plug this in and it works fine. You can see it's charging and you do have a decent cutout. As you can see, you still have a tiny bit of space around, so even if you have a thicker cable, should be fine plugging that in. Works fine, so that is really nice. So you have no issue there. But you know, with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, you do have that wireless charging as well as MagSafe. So let's try out MagSafe and see how well that works. So let's try with the MagSafe here. So if you haven't picked it up, I recommend to pick it up because it's such a nice little, it changes your life. Like it does a huge difference, this MagSafe. So if you haven't picked up one, I recommend you go and do that. But yeah, let's just try it out. So I'm just gonna place this below here, and it's on there. As you can see, the magnet is on. And let's just check if it's charging. As you can see, it is charging. So let's just remove it again. Put it to the top, and let's put it back on. And it's charging. Which is nice. So of course MagSafe works and wireless charging works through the case, so the case is not that thick for it to stop with the wireless charging. And the magnet, it is decent enough. As you can see, it is clicked on, but it is not as strong as it used to be. So as you can see, it comes off loose, which is okay. It will charge, and you can see it goes into charging straight away, but the magnets just reduce the strength of it here, so you need to take that in account if you're going to use this on a Mac-enabled car mount or charging mount. It's not going to hold the phone up because of the magnet is not going to be that strong, because the strong is really strong. So if I take my case off here and I give you that demonstration, so if I place it here, as you can see it's charging, but I can go like this. I can swing it and it's going to stay on strong. But with the case, as you saw, the magnet was just sliding off easily because of the strength and the thickness in the case. But of course wireless charging works there, so that is a plus point. But MagSafe will not work, so just take that in kind. So just take that into consideration when you're ordering thicker cases. The strength of the magnet will go down. As you can see, it is a pretty thick case here. You do have 2 layers of protection, so there was no doubt in that the magnet is going to lose. But if you don't have MagSafe and you just want wireless charging and amazing case, this case is really nice. Like the design and the fit, like look how tight fit that is. That's a sturdy fit. You know, when you drop this case, you're going to have some good protection, not just from the PCU back, but even from the TPU rubber lining. It's going to do a really good job of protecting your phone from drops, stuff like that. And you do that, get that front lid, which is going to do a great job of protecting your phone from scratches and stuff. That of course, if you do want to get screen protector, Paradise actually sells screen protector as well, so I'll leave that link in the description as well if you do want to check it out. But yeah, this case, it's nice, I have to say. Design wise, low quality, everything works fine. The cutout, like I can't complain here. Of course, they don't anywhere state that it is MagSafe compatible, so that is totally fine of them. But wireless charging works, the USB port works, everything works here, no issue there. And I have to say, I do like this design. But I have to say, the design is all nice. I'm loving it. I'm probably going to be using this as my daily case now. Like, it's a really nice design, I have to say. Like, does that suit me, or is it too girlish? I think I like it. It's nice and blue. Of course, they have a huge range of different designs. Like, it was so complicated to pick which one I like the most, but I like this blue. It is really nice. I see waves design. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. But yeah, if you do want to check out their huge range of cases, do check out the link in the description as always. But yeah, Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.